Have you ever had a secret so good that you just couldn't keep? All of these leaves were giving out roots, but I wasn't getting any babies. So I found a way to get these mother leaves to push out babies. It's a secret I'm getting ready to share with you. Part of the problem is I don't have enough time to keep up. A lot of them shoot out the roots, and I don't have time to keep digging into the soil and get the roots covered. Okay, here's my secret. I just lost patience, and I also didn't want to give up on these mother leaves. So check this out. Underneath a big lilac tree in the backyard that gets 100% shade all day long, and right next to these other succulents, I don't know the scientific name, they seem to love the shade, I decided to just dump them, to just somewhat abandon these little leaves. And then I've checked on them this morning, and to my amazement, oh my gosh, we're getting babies. Check that out. So I was able to just get back here, and I'm so sorry about the camera. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. So yeah, I know I'm a little bit shaky here with the footage, but bear with me, it's worth it. So I pulled back some of the leaves of those big succulents, and look at that. Oh my gosh, I've got 2 new babies there. Right there. And oh my gosh, I love that. He's cute. Hey, looks like there's a moral to the story, or secret, and that's mamas, just let your babies grow up, they'll be fine. Okay, I pulled these out of the outdoor pile, and let me show you where we're at. So, are those beautiful? That one's shooting out air roots. If you're new to succulents, they'll do that sometimes, and that's perfectly fine. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's a jade. 5, 6, 7. I don't know what that leaf sticking out is. I don't want to count it as a succulent quite yet. 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, and that little tiny one, 8. So out of the backyard, underneath the lilac tree, we have finally some growth. Okay, now I want to show you some bonus footage. I took 60 succulents and turned them into over 1,200. Yep, call me the prop queen. Alright, here's a bunch of little babies. This is just one area. A little prop tray I've got going. And everything on this table is all new growth from a year ago. I could have put all of these succulents in the backyard, so I didn't do that. But maybe I will do it when it starts to get a little bit cooler. But this is part of the new family. These are all new babies. Many of them grown up to be adults now. And then here's the backyard patio. This tub, they're very happy in. Look at those. and more. Many of these succulents were once babies, and now they're grown to be adults, and they're giving off lots and lots of babies. And then over here, under the lilac tree, there are these, I don't know the scientific name, but these are just growing like crazy. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and be quiet for a bit, but if you want to watch for the next couple of minutes, it's just an update on all of my new baby succulents, my new growth. And you'll see a lot of full-grown succulents that should have been put in the backyard, but I'll do that this fall. Thanks for watching, and there's quite a few more minutes of footage, so check it out. And there's a picture of Gigi at the end. Well, thanks for watching, all of you beautiful people. Here's my baby, Gigi. We hope you all have a good day.